So hello everyone, let me draw a cloud drawing today. Okay, see one by one you all have to do this. I will draw a cloud kawaii drawing over here. Okay, so first draw a cloud like this. Okay, single cloud. Then if you all want, you all can even paint this. Okay, the fully you all take. Okay, like this way you all can take fully. Okay, do this properly with the neatly. You all have to do this. Okay, so it should also show the shape of a proper cloud. Okay, okay, so you all have to draw these two shapes like this. Here, let us make proper first cloud. Draw this fully black. You all draw. Okay, first fully black. Okay, pinch of white color and then draw over here. Over here also same thing you all can do. Yeah, then draw the eyes like this way. Okay, and then you all can draw something like this. Let's use a red color. Okay, this will show some tongue texture. Again, take a small black color and then just paint this part. Okay, small white just to show some teeth over here. Okay, so I hope you will like this cloud drawing, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below.